Okay, we got sent these super cool hair accessory set. I'm gonna open it up. You ready to open it? Yeah. So it gives you these little clips. So you can create little clip-in ones that go in and can come back out again. So you can switch out colors and stuff. The way that I'm gonna show it in this demonstration, in this video, is just that I'm gonna just show how to tie it into the hair. They sent tons of colors. When you get the set, you get so many colors. So that's great. Do you want to pick a color?
Yeah.
Which one's your favorite color? Ooh, these ones have little pieces of hair in them. That's kind of cool.
I picked this one and this one because it matched my oil.
Blue and white. So
when you do like a unicorn, I can pick pink and this color.
Okay, perfect.
Are you gonna put like in my hair?
Yep, it's gonna go in your hair. You get to wear it to school tomorrow. This is what it looks like out of the package. They're super pretty. Take a strand like this, and you're gonna go like this up in the scalp. You're gonna take a couple pieces of hair like this, and you're gonna tie it into the hair. And if you are a professional face painter, I actually know of a few face painters that offer this at events. So that's kind of neat. Okay, so you go as close as you can to the hairline and tie it. You're gonna just take a couple strands and you're gonna tie the strands with the hair, because then that's gonna make it so that it doesn't slide out when you're brushing or they're taking a bath. So 1 and 2. All right, and then we're gonna do the next one, the same thing. We're gonna go 1 and 2. All right, and then here we go. Let's see. Oh, turn this way. There you go. As you can see, you get the nice, cute little sparkly. The strand goes quite a bit past her hair, so I'm gonna have to clip this after we're done. But there we go. These are in my TikTok shop if you want to get them for a birthday party or to use at events or just for something fun to do with your little ones.